Rofo me makwaba ka hu se latest and hot news era me de bro Hopeson Adorye United Party wo de sema tuja efa Ken Ofori Atta former finance minister ne hu semi na ansa na me de ensebri nyina beba ne so nya subscribe ya bomode ase we subscribe to channel na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share video no ma foforo so enye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memu anom. Now, so I didn't simply in a bebano. No comment video. Video no comment.
Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it, because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level.
I'm working like a bull and I'm paying my taxes. The government got to work like a bull as well and make sure that my road is fixed, that I have electricity, that I have water. That is their job. It is not for me to tell the president how to fix the economy. If he didn't know how to fix the economy, why did he run for office?
Which were really bad times where we all slept at the petrol station. So that's indication that, you really need to get up and talk about it, because we cannot, as a nation that deserves so much more, come to this level.
I'm working like a bull and I'm paying my taxes. The government got to work like a bull as well and make sure that my road is fixed, that I have electricity, that I have water. That is their job. It is not for me to tell the president how to fix the economy. If he didn't know how to fix the economy, why did he run for office?
You out of all you share and someone Hopeson Adorye Bediatuo fa Ken Ofori Atta as say war ice detention and Sammy na no na Hopeson to be money NPP for kase abra yoku achieve want to me parliamentarian MPC na Afenyo market na di wonanim one match ko ekotena form ho dide wo ho o say adan Ken Ofori Atta wanya NPP ni bi mu na adan no monye press conference etia ambassador US ambassador wo hasi na Hopeson Adorye de sembebre to Gyamfi Ken Ofori Atta okudi ice for semi saso and eduji tamaklo ono so e de ensem to Gyamfi Ken Ofori Atta detention ewo ice no na intentemara yemko wanakachi na yemkuti ensem a wane di to Gyamfi Ken Ofori Atta ho yenti wane ensem a wane di to Gyamfi yenti wo
to know the corruption, and that's a great. Into no say Psalm 23. He will prepare a table before us in the presence of our enemies. Before. What is this? What is this?
Yes, sir. Obe call a immigration. Can you say Obe call 20th? Yes, it's Ochina week. I know Beko. TFA.
The new okay, Michi
Akwaku no the entire overstay. The last time I mean share with US. Okay.
Only one.
Abna. Okay, dated the month free. Okay. Maybe I may come there for moment February 15 for you. And next month 15. So Ananka no more she senka being free. But my need even 1 month to prayer. And I'm by. If you don't walk, your choice, who bet you matin say. I say I'm out Schengen, maybe I'm out 2 years. Make I say, me call Germany and I'm get a 2-year Schengen. Ya trum say, within 90 days, I say, free. And first 90 days, and I'm call Turkey. Me could do 4 days na me back. And I'm better than 1 year plus. Chimeva, skipo. One Jim, share. She no. And I'm there. What is it? I see you for overstay. I say, no, I have 2 years. Meaning, but me pretending drama view of honum. A man of family. So, Miss, no. Look at the visa where it's 2 years. I have not overstayed. It's 2 years. That no 1 year be pen at home. Now me will bear 1 year and so damn. Was it no? Don't you have to stay 90 days? I said, what? It's 2 years. Me say, no. I don't say, does it mean you don't know? I said, I don't know. When I went for the visa, they did not tell me. I've been coming here, they did not tell me. So me, I know I have 2 years. Me say, the way I made me whole year, and they don't pass me. Now me call US. Me declare mukoy. And yes, sir. Come Kwaku detain me. So on it, Eti visa there, the amount. America for more 5 years. It doesn't mean say Kwaku Kyeremanteng 5 years.
He's aware.
Or more na gift side. Ebi o ho mutimi mo obi kra bi 3 months. Obi o ho kra betima ma 2 weeks after 2 weeks free kro no mu. Remum maximum no na ya normal 6 months na ni ade. Eti aye say no. Ukita UK, ukita Canada. Ba wunim no osuro. Because what is or the red alert. Red alert is so the airport in the time fapa. Yes, can you where you are vertical crew? Once I say I say na just say you ever be good hand of the wapa I don't know. Etiane mamim pe baby nche. Sana emrofo no ho. Omo system no ntse Ghana ha. Yetimi makwa ma Chinese ni baba wura krom ha. Na Chinese ni ato asase a just Ghana ni grant minto. How? See a tear maimu. What me ba? No, I bet. Look, and then Oko East Legon, about 40% to 50% of East Legon land. Nigeria for there. Find out. I don't have a fair woman or no majority. Nigeria for there. Your system is so loose. It will be a timmy grum. A yellow baby. A honor tisa. And to
I can disagree with you on this because Okwamano about to Ghana for almost only houses. And documents. No, whether you are sassy and sassy or
different.
So as for that one, foreigners can come and acquire properties in Ghana. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Near matron is and
they're just such
empty lands. Be said, what the cocoa be say, men can't someone mean what I say? Who bet to Marco China? So, you dare not. You dare not. Bisa Obia.
Say, I don't turn the public, dear. Obia to me, Kotobi. By
have certain kind of document before you can acquire a property.
But second years of property were American Yamanone.
So I don't think the answer is the other side. There's a possibility.
Maybe America.
Kweku Ofori Atta de no Kweku Ofori Atta
what America dan ya wi no entisa Ghana ha sika taxes a wo betua wo so every year what the upper for because of mon confiscate you dan na
who can different Kweku Ofori Atta de who can different
well so time so now
eti ye kenyina ni say emrofo no de omo system no eye senete wo wram na wo di boni bi na wo tim wo say wo ma biti omo boa etoda omo makwan e di steady sade na ye syndicate eye den ni ade nti ombe steady wa na de ba ko ye me wanwan ni say sade omo ko che no Rambo Star e pia ni share ka mu na we see NPP for ye can say and I'm more parliament and I'm over press conference I want to mean press conference said there America for SH Ken Ofori Atta in the Rambo Star monka infantry American ambassador say San Rambo Star the yen tiase any ne guy ga wona me nwa and Ofori Atta no penance
omo campaign
mon penance man
omo campaign
Mahamadu Anas or Mohandin in such an inhumane active video na me be say
BBC
I just said ya tunu akani certain a cha wona she go we say who ya na
okay
say mo so da mo je sa Rambo Star
Mahamadu no in a way such an inhumane you be the end there
me say whatever be the case
say
what Rambo Star aya na e de no mo ka say Rambo Star ya ready padife ya china kunu handcuff e di na sheka mu de no ko Rambo Star anambwa Ken Ofori Atta ya che no hin efia no wo team wo pie ya no mo sarando no ka mo gun handcuff e pia ni sheka mu de e no Rambo Star until we expecting say on be press conference I warn America for say Rambo Star
why they
warning America
na said ye NPP bi wo krom ha wo mutimi ma warning no they should give the same warning to America
Oh, but that a
I know ambassador.
Different.
Oh, please, Jabotre. Ambassador, you come here what?
Obetumia ko ni fa
Obetima wone no. Obetima wone no. Two press conference.
Ye chiche ma wotumi o se ye chi obi sa NPP MPs ni na kwatena
fom.
E de omo nsegu obi. Na boko bi.
Ye de hana akoko shemu be 1 week omo amfi. Me na mbetro. Meba.
It's omo ambassador.
Me na mbetro go Facebook.
Na kwatena
omo ekọ honum. So hu ne e.
And me no ya omo ko.
Me expect say omo be yes press conference no. Na yes so yes re. South America for yes mo. Yeah, this year. Montime Mahandle ne sa. Mo dey mo fa no to the next Friday.
Mo fa no bre.
Na mo fa no bre ya beje.
Yeah, e beti aka.
Because say no, you West Africa for bi kra mo ba Ghana. Be hwe say na MPP for pikam. Eti ya nka say de no mo ache ne dia.
Onye problem. Kennedy Agyapong. He live in Kennedy Agyapong the private jet. Akufo Addo asafo le ba. It ready as said obo to be private jet.
Yes, Kennedy Agyapong. On jet private jet.
I am a firm believer of the rule of law and the respect for same. I have in the past 12 years in my law practice represented clients of diverse background, but mostly in terms of criminal defense practice, I have done a bit of work, and I have always advocated that anything that gives the ordinary Ghanaian the opportunity and the benefit of due process, that should be done. And we should never do anything to reduce those fundamental rights, particularly the constitutional provision on Article 19. And you have the benefit of the Constitution. Kindly read it for me, Article 19 of the Constitution.
So basically, I'll just go through.
And the heading relates to fair trial. Fair trial.
Fair trial.
The fair trial rules. And the reason for these fair trial rules is that it is no respecter of a person. Be you a Ken Ofori Atta, be you an Eduji, be you Boahin, be you a Roland, be you what. In the superior wisdom of the framers of the 1992 Constitution, they created in it these fair trial rules. And the reason for these fair trial rules is to ensure that any Ghanaian accused of any crime whatsoever should have the benefit of due process. And these rules have been given and elevated to constitutional pedestal. And that should tell you the strength. Again, if you look at Article 14, 15, on the right of a person who is under arrest or any form of investigation, the rights that should be accorded that person. All these constitutional rights have been put in place to ensure that any Ghanaian, regardless of religion, ethnicity, status, should be given that opportunity that they will proffer a defense. Look, Roland, I recall, as defense counsel in the NCA criminal matter in 2017, I remember an episode where we went to court before my Lord Justice Chebafo, now a justice of the Court of Appeal, where in the trial, listen carefully, in the trial, we had to consult our clients in open court whether or not we should object to a piece of evidence that is being offered against them or not, right in open court. So I remember one day, Sunday, I called my brother Randolph Chumesi, and I said, Randolph, the way this trial is going on, it will not help us. Let's do something. I remember drafting an application for discovery. I sent it to my senior Justice Rimsai for his comments, among other seniors. We filed it. We appeared before Justice Chebafo and moved an application for discovery in criminal matters. When we did, the then Attorney General, Madam Gloria Akufo, came to court and they opposed that application. Roland, it took the intervention of my Lord Justice Chebafo, who saw merit in the application and said, look, I'll refer it to the Supreme Court for interpretation and direction. That is what resulted, I'm sure, in the criminal procedure class. They'll tell you the Eugene Bafo-Boni decision on discoveries. That is how we did it. And I remember in that application, the then AG opposition was that allowing discoveries in summary trials was going to be burdensome and others. Today, through that referral by my Lord Justice Chebafo, the Supreme Court today had given direction, said that in all criminal matters, be it at the District Court, Circuit Court, High Court, or whatsoever, the accused person is offered the opportunity of discoveries. That is the kind of growth, that is the kind of constitutional development that we've had over the period. Now to the specific issue of Mr. Ken Ofori Atta, and I needed to give these preambles so that we would all appreciate the development that had undertaken by Ghanaians over the period. Look, Roland, Mr. Ken Ofori Atta, from 2017, became the finance minister of this republic until he was replaced by the Honorable Amin Anta. Now get this, the finance minister is the protector, the number one handler of the public purse. Now if you recall, even in the Bible, the parable of the talents, you recall Christ tells us the story of a man who gave talents to his servants. He traveled, came back, and asked those servants, what sayest thou of the talents I've given to you? Accountability. So you notice that when we created this constitution, we provided in it that the governing principles underpinning this constitution shall be: one, probity, to probe, to ask questions; two, accountability, to account for your stewardship.
And you're saying this in relation to Ken Ofori Atta?
Ken Ofori Atta. So you notice that the governing principles underlining our current constitutional architecture is probity, accountability, and social justice. The reason for this principle should never be lost on any of us public officers. Not long ago, I had to appear before the Public Accounts Committee, but for some reason, my deputy had to go to account for the work I do. And that's why the name of the committee is what? Public Accounts Committee, accountability. Now, in the specific case of Mr. Ken Ofori Atta, you have been the person who, for all this period, have signed all onto our monies, committed this government, or the government of the Republic of Government, to Ghana, to financial commitments over the period. In fact, the law of what? The Public Financial Management Act is a Ministry of Finance Act. Now you have a situation where you have just been asked, come and account for your stewardship. The public fund that came into your hands, how you utilize it. Initially, we were told that you were not well, and so you needed medical assistance abroad.
His lawyer does indicate that he's recuperating and would only leave the jurisdiction based on his medical practitioner's advice.
You see, there is a statement by the Law Office of Minka Primo. Read it. You have it. Now, if you read that statement from the Law Office of Minka Primo, it is the mark of sheer insincerity on the part of Mr. Ken Ofori Atta. That statement from the Law Office of Minka Primo puts the Ken Ofori Atta narrative that he was not well, he was sick, and therefore needed medical attention into a different perspective. Because in that statement by the Law Offices of Minka Primo, they say Ken Ofori Atta today is asking the United States Authority to change his status. That That is insincerity to the highest order.
How is that?
At the time,
because according to the statement,
carefully,
it says that it has a pending petition for adjustment of status.
Can you imagine this?
Is he not entitled to have that right?
That is the height of dishonesty. That is the height of insincerity. At the time, Mr. Ken Ofori Atta wrote to the former chief of staff, Madam Fremont Parry, to permit him to travel abroad. It was for medical purposes. You get your treatment, you come back. You are now writing to the U.S. officers, and your lawyers have confirmed it, that the reason is that you want to adjust your status. You now want green card. You now want permanent residence. That is the mark of dishonesty. And we should not tolerate this.
Is he not entitled to
what it means is that when he said he was going to the United States of America for medical purposes, it was a ruse to escape from accountability.
That he had other ulterior motives beyond that?
And look, the lawyers for him, I wish they never wrote this statement. But it is good for public accounts. Because per this statement, his lawyers voluntarily are now telling the people of this country that Mr. Ken Ofori Atta now wants green card. He wants permanent residence.
It's not been specified that.
No, but that's what it is. If you went with B1, B2 visas and now you want an adjustment, effectively what you are asking for is you want permanent residence. Why do you think Mr. Ken Ofori Atta now wants to run away from the properties he had acquired?
I don't understand.
His own house at Labone here. Why is his own house now becoming like a hunting ground? Like a ghost, like ghost haunting him. You see, I have always maintained, and as a public official, I'm always minded about one thing. There is a day like the Bible, a day for judgment, a day for accountability. So whatever we are doing, we are minded by this sacred thing. Now, you see, the reason why it's important that Mr. Ken Ofori Atta is made to come back to Ghana to face his stewardship, to account for that stewardship, you know why? It's a lesson to all of us public officials. And Mr. Ken Ofori Atta has become a bad influence.
How do you mean by a bad influence?
A bad influence in the sense that today, Eduji here, if I'm giving public responsibility, I know tomorrow I will escape from justice.
How so?
I'll run to Togo. I won't go to America.
In the pictures that you're unwell?
Yes. Maybe for me, I'll go for herbal medicine and go to Togo. At least the Atama close and Noche and the rest. So I'll go and stay there.
As well.
And Benin, the Home Republic, where Agokoli used to be. I mean, that's going back home. Roland, what it tells you is that he had become a bad example for public office holders.
I don't understand. That if you are supposed to account, then you run away?
You run away.
Oh, Eduji.
No, but what is it? And you see, Mr. Ken Ofori Atta is not just any minister. He was the finance minister. Now look at our political history. From 1992, the Minister of Finance up to 1996 was Mr. Kwesi Botwe. Correct?
Yeah, correct, yeah.
Subsequently, it became Richard Kwampepra.
Yeah.
Nana Osafo Mafo. Then Kwejo Baredu. And we've had it till now.
Yeah.
Each one of them stayed in this country to go through the rigors of accountability. See,
but Ken Ofori Atta is a man who is not accustomed to the environment of the United States. Indeed, went to school there.
You know Ken Ofori Atta's own father was a finance minister, Jones Ofori Atta.
Sure.
After his stewardship, he didn't run away. He stayed in this country. In fact, he was MP.
He subsequently even contested NPP presidential candidate.
Now, you know the intriguing part of this conversation, Roland.
Eddie, you wrap up for me.
I will. Is the fact that Minister Kwampepra went through prosecution. Incidentally, do you know who prosecuted Minister Kwampepra? Nana Dodankwe Akufo Addo as Attorney General. Yes. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo as president investigated Mr. Setekwe. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo as president investigated Honorable Ato Forson. In fact, I remember vividly going to Yoko with Honorable Ato Forson in November 2017. In fact, when we went to Yoko
November 2017?
2017, for 4 years, Honorable Ato Forson was never called again by Yoko. You know what happened? E-levy, the budget was read on the 19th November 2021. That had in it e-levy. Ranking on Finance, Honorable Ato Forson raised an issue about the fact that e-levy was going to destroy the entire ecosystem. What happened? On 25th, so budget 19th, 25th November 2021, I was there when now Speaker Bagwe called that Yoko had written to him that they should allow Ato Forson to come back 4 years after an investigation, simply because Ken Ofori Atta was annoyed that Honorable Ato Forson had committed on the e-levy. Just then, in Speaker Bagwen's conference room, Ato was charged.
And you represented him?
I was with him there.
You were his lawyer?
I was with him. And for almost 4 years, from 2021, until the Court of Appeal acquitted and discharged him, we were going to court back and forth. So if Minister Ato Forson can stay in this country for 8 solid years, Minister Setekwe 8 solid years, and went through the full rigors of the law, what is so unique? I have heard the other narrative that it is witch hunting. So far, who has investigated Mr. Ken Ofori Atta? The Office of the Special Prosecutor, correct? October 2017, President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo assented to the act establishing the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Did Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, Ken Ofori Atta, and the NPP in 2017 set up that office to witch hunt people?
I don't understand.
That is the office that is prosecuting and investigating him. And so where from this narrative of witch hunting? Now, I'll conclude finally on this. President John Dramani Mahama, who even became president of this republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo wrote to the Office of the Special Prosecutor to investigate him and his family.
What's your point with this?
The point is that even the president, the former president, OSP, went to him, took his statement in the company of his lawyers. Due process. What is so unique about Mr. Ken Ofori Atta?
I don't understand.
That he cannot.
Is that what you're claiming?
Even a former president, not minister, former president, went through the full rigors of Ghanaian criminal law and came out clean.
Lawyer Pierre Dankwa.
Does it not, is the impression not being created that if you are running away, it means you have committed some offense?
Who is creating that impression? He hasn't created that impression. Indeed, the onus lies with.
Why do you go for lawyers like?
With the prosecution
why do you go for lawyers like
to
John?
Prove beyond or reasonable
Why
doubt?
do you go for lawyers like John Ashcroft and the rest? If everything that you have done is above board.
But he's entitled to legal counsel.
And you see, in the specific case of a finance minister, what makes his role unique is that, like the wife of Caesar, you need to live above reproach. Of all ministers, the one that have direct financial fiduciary responsibility is that of the finance minister. And so I think that it's even in the interest of my brother's political party, the NPP, that Ken Ofori Atta comes and account. So that in 2028, when you are campaigning, Ghanaians will not believe that if you vote for NPP in a very long future, their finance ministers will run away from accountability.
Therefore, we and some of Hopeson Adorye Bediatuo to be money NPP for any Ken Ofori Atta our copy where ice detention. I watch the say ye Ken Ofori Atta Rambo Star. Adena NPP for any press conference. Said the 1 year ye would to me abra ye chero yoku one match ko hoko transform a ye did wo. Adena 1 year the same thing. And I hope said in Sebdo Donara and a tuja. Because so we can subscribe ya. But I say we subscribe. Now like video don't give us a thumbs up na fee. Share now wo fufro so enye bi hwe na wo and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memha. Oso betimi achire wadwen afaye se wo nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mobeti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.